welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am Jamie. So today I'm going to show you how I do this mid-low sleek braid on my short relaxed hair. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I usually start doing these low tension hairstyles when my hair starts getting dirty and I can't do anything fun with it. I think I did my hair on Saturday or Friday. I blow dried it and then I straightened it. And now it's kind of in that phase where it's starting to annoy me because I don't look cute and I need a hairstyle. So I'm going to start off by dampening my hair with clear water. So if you follow me on social media, you would know that I either like my sleek buns to the back or with the middle part, like those are my go-tos. Today I'm going to do a middle part because it's been a while. It hasn't been a while, but it's been a while. And I just like to do that before I actually start doing the hairstyle because it just makes everything so much easier. Like before I start applying my moisturizers and gel and everything else, I like to section my hair off first. So moisturize my hair with the ORS Daily Styling Lotion and the Maintain Moisture Hair Balm. I'm absolutely obsessed with this moisture line. It exceeded my expectations, honestly. Down, I'm going in with the ORS Olive Oil Ultra HD Sleek Smoothing Gel. It's infused with castor oil for strengthening. I absolutely love this gel because it's dark of color first of all, and it blends well with my hair. You never see any flaking, and it keeps my hair flat and sleek for a very long period. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks inside. So as you guys can see, I am using a brush with hard bristles to lay my hair down. There's no way that a detangling brush would ever manage to lay my roots down. I'm now going to put my hair in a low bun using one hair tie only. I'm now going in with the ORS Olive Oil Edge Control Hair Gel to sleek down my edges and the hair at the back. Rep Inset Mousse. This product provides hold and shine, and it's infused with coconut oil. I'm going to cover my hair with my silk scarf for about 20 minutes. I'm going to do a natural beat off camera. So it's 20 minutes later and it's time to do the braid. The fiber that I will be using is from the Expression Hair collection. This is how it looks. It's black. So I just finished separating the fiber. It's a bit dangly. And now, as you guys can see, I threw away the rubber band. You don't want to use rubber bands on your hair, especially if it's chemically processed, because it's way too harsh on your own hair and it will cause breakage. I take the entire hair tie and I put it around the hair like this. And then I'm going to take this part. It could be this part as well. And I'm going to put it through that hole. I'm going to pull it like this. So now I have this instead of the rubber band. Master of the mind. So another thing that I'm going to do is apply some of that ORS daily lotion and the red mousse to the fiber, because I want the fiber to blend well with my hair, and personally the fiber looks better if it's a bit moisturized. Around my own hair, and I'm going to leave out a small section to wrap around my bun. This way I won't have to braid my hair together with the fiber, and it's going to prevent any friction on my ends, which is why this is a low tension hairstyle. So last night when I was busy editing, I realized that I did not record the entire braiding process, and I wasn't okay for hours. But I think it's because I struggled so much with the fiber that I just stopped paying attention to the finer details, which is actually the recording process. But I'm a loyal content creator, so I'm going to re-record that process for you. So I'm going to tie the fiber around my own bun twice and bring it to the top. I'm now sectioning off a small piece of hair that I'm going to wrap around my bun afterwards. I also want you guys to see how much I struggle with this fiber. It's ridiculous. So I'm now starting with the braiding process, and I prefer braiding from the side because my hands just work better that way. And with this method, I don't need to use my own hair, so it's really not necessary to braid from the back. So after long struggle, I'm going to end and seal the braid with an elastic, and then I'm going to cut the ends because it looks horrible. I like to think that I can cut hair, but I really can't, but it makes me feel good when I'm doing it. So I'm now going to wrap the fiber that I sectioned off around my own bun. So I'm first putting the braid over my bun, and then I'm going to wrap that fiber around it. I'm also reapplying some of the wrapping set mousse because the fiber messed with the sleekness of my bun, and I'm a perfectionist. I need everything to be perfect. I'm also going to spray some of the ORS olive oil nourishing sheet spray over my hair just a little bit for some extra shine. So this is the final look. I was quite annoyed with the fiber because it tangled every second, and I don't know why, because usually the expression fiber does not do it, but maybe it's a different make. I don't know, but somehow, yeah, I found a way to maneuver it. So this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.